Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make gingerbread cookies from scratch at home. Alright, first up we're going to add our 3/4 cup sugar to the bowl. We're going to add our 1/2 cup of softened butter. We're going to get those mixed together. Then we're going to add our 1/2 cup of buttermilk and 3/4 cups of molasses. We're going to get that blended up all together. Alright, up next we got 4 cups of flour. We're going to put that in there a little bit at a time so we don't have any splashing over the side. We're also going to add our seasoning. We have 2 teaspoons of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We have 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Add some more flour in there. Now that we've got that flour fully incorporated, we're going to form it into a big old ball. Alright, now that we got that all incorporated, we can go ahead and set the bowl aside, get it on the table, form it into a log shape. Now we're going to put that in the plastic wrap. And we're going to chill it overnight. Alright, now that that's out of the fridge, had a chance to chill, we're going to take off the wrap. We're going to take a small chunk off of it. We're going to lightly flour our surface. And then we're going to massage it a little bit to get it softened up a little. Now we're going to roll it out. We want to make sure we get it rolled out nice and even to about 1/8 of an inch. Now that we've got it rolled out, we're going to put our stencil on there and we're going to cut out along the lines. We're going to cut out the doorway right here. We're going to save that piece that we cut out of the door so we have our doors. Remove the excess. Then we're going to cut out our little window right here. We're going to split down the middle of the doors. There we have our first piece. We're going to lay it out on our cookie sheet here, lifting nice and gentle so we don't stretch it. Alright, now we're ready to put the windows in. We have some crushed up Lifesavers right here. We're just going to take a little bit of purple right there. Put it right there. You want to be generous because when this melts it's going to shrink down a little bit. Make sure we get it all in that little window pocket. Put a little bit of orange down at the bottom there. Some red over here. Yellow right there. Alright, now we got those candies in there, ready to put it in the oven at 400 for 5 minutes. And there we have our cookies fully baked. Just peel it off that foil right there. And there we have our beautiful gingerbread cookie. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.